Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add bio on your Telegram. So let's start. First, open the Telegram app. On the home screen you will see all of your conversations. Now tap on the three bars on top left corner. Then go to Settings. Under the account section you will see your bio. Just underneath your username. Now tap on bio. Now you have to write a few lines about yourself so that people can understand what you do and what you are. Now I'll just quickly type in my credentials. When you are done, tap on the tick icon on top right corner. And your bio is now added to your account. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.